Microsoft just shocked the AI world. Their new R2 agent is 100 times smarter than DeepSeek R1, trained in just a week on 64 GPUs. And that's just the beginning. Let's dive into the AI revolution Microsoft is rewriting. Microsoft has always been seen as a major force in the AI race. But until now, the spotlight has often been on OpenAI, Anthropic, Google DeepMind, and newer challenges like DeepSeek. But with the announcement of R2 agent, Microsoft has completely flipped the script. This isn't just another large model, it's a paradigm shift in how AI is built, trained, and deployed. What makes this so shocking isn't only its performance, but the efficiency behind it. While DeepSeek's R1 was praised for its reasoning power and efficiency at scale, Microsoft's R2 agent demonstrated that intelligence isn't about throwing more GPUs or parameters at a problem. It's about how smartly the system learns. So, what is R2 agent, and why is it making headlines? R2 agent was trained in just 1 week on 64 GPUs, yet it managed to outperform DeepSeek R1, which itself had been a massive milestone. This model is designed around reasoning-first architecture, optimized for tasks that require step-by-step logical processing, such as advanced mathematics, symbolic reasoning, and agentic workflows. In benchmark tests, it not only solved more problems but also did something groundbreaking. It checked its own work. This self-verification process is where R2 agent pulls ahead. Instead of blindly spitting out answers, it executes live code, evaluates whether the results are correct, and refines its response. That's a massive leap in AI trustworthiness and reliability. Think of it as the difference between a student guessing answers versus a student who shows their work, runs the calculations again, and double-checks everything before handing in the exam. For years, the AI race has been a bigger is better game. More GPUs, bigger clusters, more training data. But Microsoft has shown that efficiency beats brute force. Training a top-tier agent on only 64 GPUs in a single week is unheard of. Compare this with traditional models that require thousands of GPUs running for months. The result is a fraction of the cost, fraction of the energy use, and exponentially faster turnaround. This breakthrough suggests we might be leaving behind the parameter arms race and entering an era where algorithmic efficiency and smarter training strategies matter more than raw scale. The secret ingredient behind this efficiency is something Microsoft calls GRPO-ROCE, a new reinforcement learning breakthrough. GRPO-ROC stands for Generalized Reinforcement with Process-Oriented Correction. Unlike traditional reinforcement learning that only rewards final outputs, this method rewards the process. The model gets feedback not only on whether it was right, but also on how well it reasoned step by step. That means the AI isn't just learning to guess answers, it's learning the logic and verifying each step. This is a critical breakthrough because it allows smaller models to achieve reasoning performance that rivals or even surpasses giant models. But Microsoft didn't stop with R2 agent. They also revealed My Voice 1, their new speech generation AI. Here's why My Voice 1 is groundbreaking. It can generate a full minute of natural-sounding audio in less than 1 second. The voice output is smooth, human-like, and expressive, opening up applications in gaming, virtual assistants, dubbing, audiobooks, and real-time conversations. Unlike older voice models that struggled with latency or robotic tones, My Voice 1 demonstrates speed and realism at the same time. For businesses, this means near instantaneous content creation. Imagine recording a podcast, narrating a video, or translating a movie into multiple languages with human-like voices, instantly. Another massive reveal is My One Preview, Microsoft's first-ever foundation language model built fully in-house. This model was trained on 15,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, making it one of the most ambitious AI training runs ever. It marks a turning point. Microsoft isn't just a partner to OpenAI anymore, it's now building its own foundation models at scale. My One Preview is already being integrated into Microsoft Copilot, powering advanced natural language reasoning, better contextual understanding, and multimodal capabilities. The scale of this project is enormous. With 15,000 H100s, Microsoft has entered the big leagues of AI training, signaling that they are now a direct competitor to OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, not just a supporter. Let's step back and look at the big picture. What does this mean for the future of AI? End of the size race R2 agent proves that efficiency and reasoning matter more than raw scale. We're entering an age of smarter, not bigger AI, Agentic AI models that can check their own work and reason step by step open up new horizons in fields like science, engineering, and medicine. Voice as the next frontier. With MAI Voice 1, Microsoft is setting the stage for AI-powered conversations that feel as natural as speaking with a human. Foundation independence. By building MAI 1 Preview, Microsoft has signaled it doesn't just want to rely on OpenAI, it wants to lead the field with its own models. Business impact. Faster, cheaper, and more reliable AI means enterprises can adopt AI across every vertical without the massive costs of giant model training runs. So how does Microsoft's move position it against the competition? DeepSeek R1. Once the efficiency king, now overshadowed by R-2, agents reasoning first design. OpenAI, still a leader with GPT-5 and beyond, but Microsoft's independence with MAI 1 Preview suggests less reliance on OpenAI. Google DeepMind. Pioneers in reinforcement learning, but Microsoft's GRPO-ROC breakthrough shows they can innovate here too. Anthropic, known for safety and reasoning with Claude, but R-2, agents' efficiency and self-checking give Microsoft an edge. This reshapes the competitive map. Microsoft is no longer just the company backing OpenAI. It's now a primary innovator in its own right. So why should you care about these breakthroughs? If you're a developer, you'll soon have access to AI agents that can check their own code, reducing debugging time. If you're a business owner, these models cut costs and latency, enabling smarter automation. If you're a creator, MAI Voice 1 makes instant, human-like audio generation possible. And if you're simply an AI enthusiast, this is proof that the next era of AI will be defined by reasoning, adaptability, and speed, not just massive size. Microsoft's announcements of R-2 agent MAI Voice 1 and MAI 1 Preview mark a turning point in the AI arms race. By proving that efficiency, reasoning, and adaptability matter more than brute force, Microsoft is rewriting the rules of artificial intelligence. The future isn't just about bigger models. It's about smarter ones, AI that can reason, verify, and adapt at lightning speed. And with these breakthroughs, Microsoft has positioned itself at the forefront of this next era. If you found this breakdown valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into AI breakthroughs. The AI race is heating up, and we're here to decode it for you every step of the way.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.